The greenhouse effect. Ha 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 ha. Yes. I'm going to be in The Wizard of Oz. I'm going to be the Tin Man. I'm going to be one of those flying monkeys. Step 1. Give me yellow. I demand yellow. Shlabam. Happy sun. Whoa. Visible light come from the sun, approaching the house, passing through the window. We also have, I'm going to pretend this is purple. We have ultraviolet, UV, which is largely blocked and reflected or absorbed by the window and the coating on it. Ultraviolet, and then we also have infrared, the infrareds coming in, which are largely blocked, reflected, absorbed by the window, by the coating on it. Okay, but what can pass through is the visibles. Ultraviolet. Ultraviolet? Jeez, Mr. Phelps, you're playing too many video games. How much Ghost Recon? All right, ultraviolet, infrared. Now, the ultraviolet and infrared can be abbreviated as UV and IR. I think I have this conditionally formatted to accept it as well. I mean, I would prefer the full word. Ultraviolet light and infrared light are largely blocked by the glass. How visible light is able to pass through. Okay, I sketched that up in my beautiful rendering, baby Cameron. Step 2. Okay, now that the visible light is in, lands on objects inside, and those objects inside the interior, the interior inside absorbs that visible light energy, and when things gain energy, they start to move faster. They are more energetic, and so therefore they start to heat up. Step 2. Visible light lands on objects inside, and those objects absorb it and heat up. Blam. Step 3. What happens to objects that heat up? Objects that heat up, what do they give off? They give off heat. And there we have the conversion of visible light into infrared. Derple. The heated up objects give off infrared radiation, which is heat. Last step. So that infrared radiation comes off the objects inside, and it starts making its way around the room. Of course, the infrared rays of light, the heat that comes back toward the window. Well, remember, the window doesn't let infrared pass through it. It blocks it, reflects it, absorbs it. So the infrared that comes back toward the window on its way out doesn't make it. It doesn't get out. So it gets reflected back into the room, and it's this reflection of the heat back into the room that creates this greenhouse effect. And as a result, the overall temperature inside the room increases. Make sure you get that last part in there, because if the temperature did not go up, then it's not much of a greenhouse effect. Since infrared is not able to pass back through the glass, it gets reflected back inside, and the temperature increases inside. I don't know, that probably sounds redundant. I need Miss Kelly to help me with my writing skills. That's it. Greenhouse effect summarized into a 4-step process.